Pete, all I want for my birthday is a big booty. First one, 2 Chainz. Obviously, she got a big booty, so I call her Big Booty. Skirt, skirt. Wrist moving, cooking to it. I'm in the kitchen, yams everywhere. Just made a jug. I got brands everywhere. You're the realest Negro breathing if I hold my breath. Referee with the whistle. Blit! Hold his tech. Extendo clip, extendo roll. When your girl leave me, she need a hair salon. Hair weave killer going on a trapathon. I assume that's a trap marathon. See, I done had more bombs than Pakistan. That's offensive. Dope bomb, dro bomb, and pill bomb. See, Negro, I'm ballin'. You in will call when I die, bury me inside the jewelry store. When I die, bury me inside the jewelry store.
Is that the verse? Is that the verse?
Yeah, that's verse 1.
That was it. That was all I needed to hear.
I was